Hello friends, today I want to share how to remove glass mosaic mesh tile backsplash. And this is what I have, and these are the items that you need to get started. A good pair of goggles, some face masks, a flathead screwdriver, a hammer, and this chisel I got from Lowe's. Does a pretty good job of it to make it clean for about $9. And let me show you what I've done, how clean it's come out. This is just a sample. My whole kitchen's about a little bit less than 50 square foot. It's taken me about 3 hours, but it comes out pretty clean. This does need to be sanded, but it's a whole lot better than replacing the whole sheetrock. So let's get started. Okay, so I was going to show you a little bit on this chisel. It does look a little thick, but if you notice, it has a thinner side, then it has a flush side, and as I do it, I'm just putting the flat side against the wall like this to kind of glide it. And it comes out in chunks. And if you want to wear some gloves, for the most part, it comes pretty easily off. Alright, I want to show you guys this little tip, and I hope it makes your job easier. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment below, and I sure hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, have a blessed day.